Hello my dear student, let me start exercise 9. First we have to write some formulas. SP is equal to MP minus discount. Discount percentage is equal to discount upon MP into 100. SP is equal to MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Only these three formulas we will use in this exercise. So first of all, first question is this. MP is 25 rupees and SP is 23 rupees 50 paise. So first of all we will find the discount. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. MP, so write like as 0 minus 0 0, 10 10 minus 5 5, and 5 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So discount is 1 rupees 50. MP is given 1880 rupees and SP 1504 rupees. So we will find the discount. Ten minus 4 is equal to 6. 7 minus 0, 7, and 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 2. 276. Market price of an article is 80 and discount is 10%. So we have to find selling price SP. So SP is equal to MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. MP is given, that is equal to 80. 100 minus discount percent upon 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. 8 9 is 72. 72 rupees is the selling price of the articles. Two successive discount of 5% each. Second part of this question. There are two discounts. D1 is equal to 5% and D2 also 5%. So we have to find SP. We will use same formula, 100 MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. But there is two successive discount. So we will write same as D1 and 100 minus D2 upon 100. If there are 3, so we write any one more, 100 minus D3 upon 100. Same as MP is 100, 100 minus 5 upon 100 into 100 minus 5 upon 100. 100 multiply 100. 0 cancel with 0. 5 2 जा 10, 5 1 जा 5, 5 9 जा 45, 2 4 जा 8, 4 5 जा 20, 4 9 जा 32 38, 3.8 multiply 19, that is equal to 19 8 जा 152, carry 15, 19 3 जा 57 and 15 73, so 73.2 rupees. Question number 3. Market price is 990 rupees and discount percent 10. Find SP. Same formulas apply here. MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. So put the value of MP here. 100 minus discount percent upon 100. 100 minus 10 90, 20 cancel with 20, 9 9 is 81, carry 8, 9 9 is 81 and 8 89, so 891 rupees is the selling price of this article. Question number 5. A shopkeeper gave a discount of 5 paisa in 1 rupees as a common whose market price is 16 rupees. Find the percentage of discount given the selling price. A shopkeeper is given 5 paisa as a discount of 100 rupees. So discount percentage is 5%. MP is 16 rupees. So it is asking about selling price. Selling price is MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. So 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 9 is 45, 19 4 is 76 upon 5, 5 1 is 5, now 26, 5 5 is 25, 2 here, so 15 rupees 20 paise. Now question number 6. A manufacturer catalog price of a wedding machine, manufacturing price 240, but he allowed a discount of 30%. Discount percent equals to 30. So find SP. So SP is equal to MP 100 minus discount percent over 100. So MP is 240, 100 minus 30 upon 100. 240 multiplies 70 upon 100. 0 cancel with 0 and 0 cancel with 0. 24 multiplies 7. 7 4 is 28. Carry 2. 7 2 is 14 and 2 16. So 168 rupees. Next is question number 7. A shopkeeper gives a discount 10% or cash payment. Discount percent is 10%. At what price is the article marked? If the cash price is, selling price is 13 rupees 15 paise, 50 paise. So B, it is asking about MP. Same formula we will use. SP is equal to MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. SP is 13 rupees 50 paise. MP we have to find 100 minus 10 upon 100. 90, 100 minus 10, 90 upon 100. Now cross multiply is there. 20 cancel with decimal. 1350 upon 90. Market price is 135 upon 9. 9 1 ja 9 and 9 5 ja 45. So market price is 15 rupees. It's 2400. As pays 2000 only. So find discount percent. First of all, discount is equal to MP minus SP. 2400 minus 2000. That is equal to 400 rupees. Now discount percent is equal to discount upon CP, discount upon MP into 100. So discount is 400 and MP is 2400. Two zero cancel with 20. 4 6 are 24. So 100 upon 6. 2 3 are 6. 2 5 are 10. 50 upon 3, that is equal to 17. 1 2 1 are 3 1 are 3 and 3 6 are 48. 3 6 are 18. 50 upon 3, that is equal to 16. 2 upon 3%.